So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to set an image as a background here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I'm going to go ahead here and select a photo for this example. And how about I select this photo right here of two people connecting hands, making a heart with a sunset. Now, if you want to make this the background, it's actually super simple. Press on the photo right here, go to where it says more right here, and then you scroll down to where it says set as background, and then go ahead and press on that. Now what you're going to see is that the entire background of your design is the photo that you selected. You can also kind of change it around and angle it however you want. So very simple, super straightforward. That's how you guys can set an image as a background on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.